Hey everyone, Rick Fuller here, and today I want to share with you why generic AI prompts are killing your AI efforts. When you're using Perplexity, make sure that you're not writing something that says in the prompt, write me an email, write me a text, write me a social media post. All that is ineffective. All that creates white noise. All that creates clutter, and eventually a bad question leads to a bad response. Here's what we're looking for. Number one, make sure you assign it a role. If you're going to ask it to write a blog, start with as a blog writer. If you're going to ask it to create a social media post, ask it to create it from a social media influencer or based on the best social media strategies that are available today. If you're going to write a news article, then it should be writing as an editor or a publisher. Make sure that you assign AI, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google Gemini a particular role. Number two, give it a tone. Are you professional? Are you laid back? Is there a sense of urgency? Is it casual? Make it sound like you. Your artificial intelligence efforts shouldn't be different than you. They should be an extension of you. And by using a particular tone in AI or even going into the settings and creating that can be a powerful way to make sure that it's communicating and sounding like you, real, authentic, and genuine. Number three, give it a response rules. If you're looking for a paragraph, make sure you have that listed. If you want, like I do, something where I can turn it into a video script, make sure you illustrate that. Say that you want it to be done in a 30-second or a 15-second video script. Or maybe you're like me and you like bullet points. You just want to get right to it and you want it to be bullet pointed. However you choose to receive and review the information, tell artificial intelligence it will help you draft a response so that it's easy for you to use and easy for it to read. Number four, make sure that you identify your influencers in the space. Who are you listening to in real estate? Who are you listening to in finance? Who are you listening to on relationships? Who are you listening to in business? Whoever it is, let them know that you're following them. They all have a language. They all have a feel. They all have a communication style. All of that can be embedded within the correspondence that it gives you. By giving it a bad prompt, you're going to get a bad response. But by giving it a great response, one where you've identified a role, a tone, relationships, and those people that you're actually watching and following, and you tell it whether you want bullet points or a script or a paragraph that's most convenient for you, regardless of which way it is, it's going to be very, very beneficial for you to use these artificial intelligence to help you give you the communication that you need to be able to follow up.